Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick unboxing. I just received my order from La Dolce Vita, which I ordered from her store on pinkoi.com. Oh gosh, I love, look at this envelope. How beautiful this is. And you're gonna hear my kitten, the famous Gizmo, is playing, so it might get a little weirdly loud here. Okay. Oh, she added a few. These are cool. These are new. I haven't ordered from her in a really long time, so I had 2 boxes like these. In fact, the rest of the stickers I have are in my sticker book. I used one of her boxes as my little paint tray. Let's see, because I think I ordered a few. Yeah. I love her work. These are so cool. You see this? Hold on a second. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, this is so beautiful. Then I ordered these because they look like they were small enough to go in the weeks, and they are. This would be perfect for the Hobonichi weeks. They're really pretty. These are like thicker white, like the ones that come in the boxes. These, on the other hand, are transparent, just so you know. And then the box, a different box I got this time. Ooh, it's so pretty. Sorry, the sun just came out, so it might change my setting. Oh, I think these are, let me see, I think these might be the duo ones. Let me check. Yes, I thought those were really neat. They're always 2 people, 2 girls. Very cool. And I think that's it. She always sends a postcard, which is great. If it looks like it has a canvas texture, but it's the print. And a little thank you note. That's it. That was my La Dolce Vita order. Oh, this one's so pretty. And she sells her stuff on pinkoi.com. That came pretty fast. I want to say about a week and a half. I'll link her online store below. And yeah, hope you're all having a great day. Bye-bye.